Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. Today's video is a vlog of me at home. That's it basically. It's going to be a pretty chill, pretty relaxing vlog of me just in my space at home, just doing my thing. There's a bit of cleaning, there's a bit of cooking, but basically this is a vlog of me in my environment, in my new space, in my home. I haven't shown you guys my space, so I think this is a great opportunity for you to see what my space looks like and just see a little bit into the life of me and see what I do on the days that I have absolutely nothing to do. So as you guys can see, I'm in bed, drinking water, pressing my phone, doing my thing. My favorite thing to do is to stay in bed, basically. If I have someone bringing me food, if I have someone bringing me Wi-Fi, if I have someone with, if all my needs are met, I have no need to leave my bed. But of course, Deola likes shiny things. So of course she has to go out there and hustle and, look for money and chase that bag. So this isn't one of those days. I am in bed pressing my phone and I'm gonna have one of those domestic days basically. Welcome to my kitchen. You guys have seen my kitchen already, but my kitchen today is a mess. So the pipe under my sink actually fell off, and it happened when I was washing the dishes, so it was such a fucking mess and I hated it so much. So I had to put a bucket under there. I had to clean everything. Look, just know the kitchen was a mess. They came to fix it. They fixed it the previous day, but I was way too tired to clean the kitchen. I was like, I'm gonna do everything in the morning, which is what I'm trying to do right now. So as you guys can see, I'm just trying to arrange my pots, trying to arrange my pans, just trying to arrange my dishes. And I also have a bunch of dishes to wash because Deola likes to eat, Deola likes to cook, so of course she has dishes to wash. I actually hate washing dishes. Washing dishes is the absolute ghetto chore in my opinion. I always have to have music on or a podcast on or just something on to distract me because washing the dishes is the ghetto. I'm currently listening to the Trash Taste podcast. It's a podcast by these 3 anime YouTubers and they live in Japan, and it's one day my wish and my goal to actually meet them. I hope I get to meet them and hang with them one day. I hope to go to Japan one day. I don't know if I've mentioned this. I'm cleaning my house as well because my house is a mess, so I'm just taking out my trash and I'm cleaning up basically because again, my house is a mess and I like doing chores in the morning. I like cleaning my house in the mornings like this. Perfect time, perfect opportunity to, be zen, clean my space, clear everything and make sure we start the weekend off on a really good note. I feel like I'm speaking faux deep nonsense here. I was just arranging some of the things from my thrift store and it just reminded me to say that my thrift store is going to be going on hiatus for some time. I got a new job and I also have a part-time job that together I realized it's not going to be sustainable to run a business. I want to focus on my jobs and creating content and not running a business right now. So everything is going to go on hiatus for a little bit. The clothes are still available to buy if you want to buy them, but I'm not going to be stocking any new clothes. Alright, gardening. I've recently started growing plants. I'm really interested in seeing what happens. I used to have an oregano plant, but it died in the most dramatic fucking fashion, and right now I'm trying to grow some new basil. That is the last pot that I'm watering right there. I also water my plants with bottled water because I'm bougie AF. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but my house was messy, a bit dirty, so this is me trying to sweep my kitchen and make sure everything is nice and clean because we do not want dirt in the kitchen. I like my kitchen to be clean. After all is said and done, after everywhere is nice and clean, we are back in bed to continue pressing our phone. Again, I didn't really have anything important to do. I try my best to keep my weekends free. Again, I just started a new job, so this wasn't the way it was before. But my new job at Bamboo, we're all working from home, which is fantastic for me. So I can stay at home more and I can actually create more content, which leaves my weekends free, which is why I have such a chill Saturday, because all the content I wanted to create, everything I was doing, I did it during the week because I was at home. Eventually, Deola will get hungry and she'll enter the kitchen and start making herself some breakfast. I'm making myself eggs, bacon, and baked beans for breakfast. That is the easiest breakfast dish I know how to make. It's not easy. Sometimes I like to mix it up here and there. I like to make the baked beans, I like to fry them with a little bit of, seasonings and some veggies. Sometimes the eggs will be scrambled. Sometimes they will be sunny side up. The bacon is just bacon. Bacon is so good. I love bacon. Just throw it in the pan. It fries up. Tastes wonderful. Tastes so good. So that is what we are having for breakfast today. And once breakfast is done, we are back in bed. And as you can see, I was watching the Trash Taste podcast, and now I'm gonna be watching it and eating breakfast at the same time. that is it for my morning. This was like around 1 p.m. so this is what a chill morning in the life of Deola Adebiyi looks like. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. I wanted to try something a little bit different with my vlogs and, you know, just add a little bit of spice. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by leaving me a comment below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.